eID Global is a worldwide leader in trusted citizen and biometric identity solutions. Our broad portfolio of state-of-the-art biometric capture technologies, easy-to-use software applications, and scalable infrastructure allows us to deliver complete turnkey law enforcement solutions designed for interoperability. Working closely with a select network of local agencies and country partners, we ensure consistent on-site presence and relationship, not only during development and implementation, but for continuing maintenance and support long after the deployment. Our end-to-end criminal enrollment solutions, scalable automatic fingerprint identification systems, transaction management software, and innovative industry-leading biometric capture hardware can be found supporting the efforts of law enforcement and security agencies around the world. The following are a few deployed solution references. The Moroccan Royal Gendarmerie implemented a fully automated identity management solution from eID, replacing an outdated ink and card process that was slow, inefficient, and underperforming. Subjects are now booked digitally. Records are electronically transmitted, matched, and stored. Identities can be verified with ease and speed at fixed workstations, or even while on patrol, or at remote outposts via handheld devices. The system is trusted, enhancing efficiency and productivity and aiding in the resolution of cases. eID designed and deployed one of the first complete end-to-end identity management AFIS solutions in Africa for use by the Senegalese Gendarmerie, National Police and Border Agency. A centralised store and forward manages all submissions and responses from hundreds of enrolment stations to the central AFIS. The efforts encouraged and enhanced multi-agency collaboration, while improving efficiencies and productivity. The Senegalese are currently undertaking a refresh and planning for phased expansion. The Ghana Police Criminal Investigative Department updated existing systems and manual identity management processes. The deployment included both criminal enrolment and background check stations. Nearly 500,000 ink and paper fingerprint cards were digitised and made available for identity check matching, enhancing the efficiency and security of those processes dependent on ID checks. Northrop Grumman, the technology integrator for the UK and German police, replaced the ink and paper means of capturing fingerprints with our live scan solution. The system, consisting of palm scanners and custom software created specifically for UK and German police agencies, provides a complete capture solution that saves time, produces more reliable matches, and eliminates the requirement to store paper fingerprint cards. eID was recently selected to upgrade the solution to the latest high-speed biometric scanner technology as part of the UK Home Office Forensic and Biometric Interim Capability Programme. The upgrade improves image capture resolution to 1000 ppi for more reliable matching. As a leader in citizen and biometric identity solutions, serving not only law enforcement, but a range of defence and critical civil government applications, eID has built a reputation for quality and performance that you can count on.